Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a clear style so the rest flows. Decide minimal for clarity or collage for personality. This determines spacing and contrast. Once done, collect 2 high-resolution images and 1 accent color to use across icons and widgets. Make sure you have the widgets you want, clock, calendar, music, so you can test composition immediately. This early setup saves time and prevents redoing layouts later, because your assets and style guide drive every placement choice. Now you assemble the layout and refine details. Place your focal image at the 1/3 point or center and leave breathing space so icons remain legible. You'll thank yourself later. Next, tweak contrast, blur, and a color overlay between 10 and 40% to improve readability without losing character. Then align widgets and text with consistent margins and maintain a 16:9 visual balance. These steps make the screen both beautiful and functional, so users can read at a glance. Finish by testing the lock screen across brightness levels and both portrait and landscape orientation. Small changes are visible only in real use. Save a preset or export the theme and keep your original assets so you can restore or iterate quickly. If something goes wrong, like misaligned widgets or broken overlays, reset the overlay opacity first, then reinstall or re-add the widget. This troubleshooting step solves most layout errors without losing your entire design, making adjustments fast and low risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.